Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. And it's been couple of days that iOS 18 public beta 4 is out for the public beta testers, and it is available across different iPhone devices. And I have already made a video what are new things with that. You can check out my channel, check out those videos so you can have the idea. In today's video, my focus is going to regarding battery life, as I was getting a lot of questions regarding the battery draining issues and the battery life issues. So I'm going to share some of the tips and the tricks that can help to enhance your battery life. So just grab popcorn and let's start this video, and you're gonna have fun, and I can assure you that after following all these tips and tricks, you are definitely going to get amazing battery life on your iPhone, just like I do. And as you guys know me well, I don't talk about anything without any sort of proof. So definitely I'm going to share the battery performance of my iPhone so you can have the better idea. For now I am running iPhone 14. As you can see, by the battery health of my iPhone is not so good. It is 89%. Let me go into the settings and show you the battery health over here. As you can see, it is 89%, and it has dropped around 8% in last couple of months. I don't know why, but it happened a lot. And but in this video I'm going to share tips that how now it is stuck on 89, and definitely I'm going to share how you can have amazing battery life on your iPhone. But before that, let's go to over here and see the stats of the battery life. So according to this graph, as you can see, I use my phone for around 65 to 70%, and the screen on time is 6 hours 5 minutes, which is really good. I was using Instagram a lot, TikTok, photos, Facebook, and couple of other applications. If I go over here it is again around 65%, you can say, and again around 6 hours of screen on time, which is quite decent once again. And I think it is a decent screen on time, and everyone deserves to get this kind of a screen on time for your iPhone. So without any further delay, let's jump into this video. Let's talk about how the battery life can be improved on your iPhone. So without any further delay, just also, this is not only for the iOS 18 public beta 4. These settings can be applied on any iPhone, any iOS version. The location of the settings can be different because the settings application in the iOS 18 is revamped, but same things are available in every other iOS, in every other iPhone. So you can apply all these things in every your iPhone. You don't have to specifically get to the iOS 18, but still, since I am on the iOS 18, so I'm definitely gonna make video according to this. So let's start and let's talk about how you can improve your battery life. Very first thing, get into your settings, and after that get to the privacy and security. Now over here into the privacy and security, there is an option known as tracking. As you can see, now get into this option over here. As you can see, the tracking of all applications is turned off. As you can see, I haven't turned on a single tracking of any application. Well, what tracking does, it track your activity across other companies, apps and websites. When this is off, all new app tracking requests are automatically denied. Well, it is running in the background, and it is always consuming your battery, because of which you might be getting a less battery life. So it is always better to turn this off, which is going to be a very useful. If you also want to turn this off, you can, but I allow it to ask for one time, and from there I also choose not to turn on. So you can turn off all the tracking for every application on your iPhone. Now go back, go into the location services. In the location services, here are some of the services, here are some of the applications, and you can customize the location for these applications. By default, it may be on something like while using the app, or maybe on, let me show you over here. If I go to the Facebook, or maybe if I go to the over here, maybe on the always option. Well, you don't need to choose these options. You can customize option for every other application according to your choice. Now if if I do select the always option, it will be keep using the location even I'm not using the application. This is why it is always best practice to use while using. So if you are using that application, your location can be used, but if you're not using the application, your location must not be used. Just like this, I don't want Facebook to use my location, so it is set on never, which is going to be a really good option over here. So you can customize this according to your choice, and it is going to help to save a lot of battery. Now the next thing you need to do is go all the way down over here. Here is the another option known as system services. As you can see, get into the system services and customize it according to your choice. By default, every other will be turned off, but you can customize it according to your choice. For example, I don't use HomeKit at all, so I don't want it to use location, so I'm saving my battery life from here to, and you can customize it according to your choice. Well, these are the something you can do with your location and can save a lot of your battery. Now go back, and over here again in the privacy and security, go all the way down. Okay, go all the way down and get into the analytics and improvements over here. This option is also available. Now go over here and turn this off, turn this off, turn this off, turn all these settings off, just like I did, and also turn these settings off. By doing this, it will not share any sort of data with Apple to bring improvement. Well, if these settings are turned on, it will be continuously sharing data in the background that will also consume a lot of battery. So turn these settings off to save more battery life. Now go back over here, get into the Apple advertising, and turn off the personalized ads over here. As you can see, it would also help to save a bit of a battery life. Go back. Now these are some of the ways you can do in the privacy and security option. Now go back over here, go on the top, go into the general, and over here you will see another option of background app refresh. Now get into the background app refresh, so you can also customize the background app refresh according to your choice. For example, 9 to 5 Mac is a news application, so if I turn off it background app refresh, I will have no issue at all. Also, I will be able to save battery life. But if I turn the background app refresh of WhatsApp off, it will create issues for me. I may not able to get important messages or calls, so it need to be turned on. So just like this, you can customize it according to your choice. Okay, so it will also help to save your battery. Well, these are some of the tips and tricks you can do from your iPhone, but you can also change the way of charging your iPhone to improve its battery health and improve its overall performance. What I always like to do is I always try to charge my phone before it get dropped to 20%. If it is around 25% or 30%, I always plug in the charger. I don't let it go beyond 20%, because after it goes beyond 20%, it affects the battery life very badly, and I don't want it to affect the battery life of my iPhone. So I always try to keep this on charging, plug-in charging before it drops to 20%. You can also do this, and it can also help to save a lot of your battery life. Well, these are some of the tips and tricks in this video: how your iPhone is performing, what iPhone you are using, and how the battery health or battery life is going of your iPhone. You can let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know that if you follow these all tips, and after following, are you getting a better battery life or not. Always keep this in mind that it definitely gonna take a couple of days to get stable in terms of these new settings. So don't rush and wait for it, and I can assure you that you will be getting a better battery life. Well, that's it from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.